Previously in Austin, Texas.
Community, you know. Still so cool. Quite the gallery connoisseur.
Thank you to Epidemic Sound for sponsoring this video.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. It's 10 a.m. I need to check out of my hotel right now and head over to the other house to meet everyone there. We are leaving at 3 p.m. and I think everyone's gonna meet at the house at midday. So my plan is just to get some work done, hopefully between now and 2 and like when everyone's coming before we need to leave. But yeah, I'm so excited for Creator Camp. Hi again, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Tati. I make lifestyle travel content and yeah, I'm in Austin, Texas for Creator Camp. This is my second base camp. So yeah, I've already met some of the people who are gonna be there, which is really cool. Met some of the people who are making films for the film festival as well, and they're all really nice. It's always good vibes. So yeah, I'm gonna check out of my hotel and get going to the house, do some work, and then we'll get going to Wimberley, Texas, I believe. It's like an hour out of Austin. Really happy, really excited. Let's get going.
Simon, Peter, yeah. You guys will drive. Get to number 3 of these, bro.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But everyone who's getting them now, I just hope the 4 doesn't come out soon for their sake.
You listen to like country music. Oh,
don't turn to you the good time.
Some Zach Bryan, bro. Yo, low-key, I'm on some country now, though.
Do you actually?
I want some Zach Bryan.
yeah, exactly.
Hi guys, we are at Buc-ee's, whatever that is. I have no idea, but these guys are raving about it. Apparently it's like an American staple or Texas staple?
I think Texas.
Texas staple? Okay, so we're gonna explore. Simon's just gonna fill up the car. It's 4:15. We left the house at like 3 something, I wanna say. We drove half an hour out of the way to be able to come here. And everyone else is in like separate cars. There's like 25 of us, I think. So yeah, let's go explore Buc-ee's.
Oh, love it, love it, love it. Biggest gas station I've ever seen in my life. Yeah.
Wait, what's the time?
90 minutes.
Oh, they changed it.
Yeah.
Chris told me it's gonna be like 5 minutes. I'm like, no.
5
Yeah,
minutes?
you can't do that. That's impossible. No one's gonna be able to do that.
It's like one shot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in my room here at Creek Haven Inn. That's where this Creator Camp is. I can't believe how huge this room is. It's so stunning. The last time I went to base camp, which was the castle in France, I shared. Shout out to BB and Emma, miss you guys. But yeah, this is like so crazy to have all this space to myself. I do need to go get some water, fill up my jug, because I'm parched, to say the least. But we got here straight away. We had dinner because we stopped over in Buc-ee's, as you saw. So we got here at like 5:30, had dinner, and then just chilled by the campfire. Then we went to Peter's room, chilled out there for a bit, and now it's like 9:30 and here I am in my room. I'm about to have a nice early night. I'm gonna chill. I'm not gonna do any editing. I might wake up early tomorrow because of the jet lag of it all and do some editing first thing in the morning. But yeah, this is excellent scenes. We got some cards. Welcome to Base Camp, Austin, Texas. What's gonna happen this week? Tomorrow we have a workshop called Embracing Imposter Syndrome. We have an origami workshop, a sound design workshop. There's a bunch. Oh, we can create our name tag. Oh, that's cute. So yeah, that's this like mini schedule we have here. Then we have a letter with a Creator Camp seal. So cool. Tati, you're back in the US, got me so hyped. Thanks for coming out to Base Camp again. This week is gonna be one of creative inspiration, relaxation, and just a bunch of fun. With love, Simon. So cute. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. And then shout out to Rode yet again. I have some more wireless mics from them now. Anyway, I'm gonna get some rest and we'll catch up in the morning. Good morning, it's Monday morning. It's 9:40. No, it's 8. What time is it? It's 8:37. Breakfast started at 8:30, so I hope I'm not late. Watch me have rushed this whole morning only to get to breakfast and no one be there. Watch, just watch. I'm so excited for today. This is our first full day. Yeah, I slept amazingly. This bed is so comfortable. I love Texas. I can't stay and chat. Let's get on with the day. I don't know what the plan for the day is because I can't remember the schedule off the top of my head, but we have a full itinerary. I've made it a widget on my phone. Oh my gosh, load right this instant. We have a full itinerary for the week here. So today we have a workshop on embracing imposter syndrome and a painting workshop. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, let's get going to breakfast. I was in such a rush. I actually can't believe it.
Tati, we appreciate the effort. You know what? We're gonna remember that.
Yeah. Thank you for showing up.
Thank you.
So far, I got invited to Creative. That's my highlight.
Okay, capturing these experiences is one thing, but recreating a feeling, a whole different story. One thing that I've learned as a creator is that sound is half the story, and honestly, maybe more. It makes all the difference. You can shoot the best visuals in the world, but without the right music and sound design, it just doesn't hit, and that's why I use Epidemic Sound. I mean, their library is massive, with over 50,000 tracks and over 200,000 sound effects. I usually search by mood or just listen through the curated playlists until I find that one track.
This I have to hear. Okay.
Then I bring it into DaVinci and that's where the magic happens. And one of my favorite features is being able to download individual stems. So sometimes I'll layer these, play with pacing, and even swap in different sound effects to shift the tone completely. It's like storytelling with invisible threads. And the best part is that everything's restriction-free. So if you want to elevate your content through sound, click the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial. Just watch and see what it does to your storytelling.
And then
Look at there are two.
Oh, I'm scared. It's 11:30. We finished a workshop and breakfast. Lunch is in like half an hour, but we've decided to get bikes and ride into town and see if we can find anything. There are no brakes on any of these bikes.
You pedal backwards.
Oh,
Guys, for the cruiser bikes, you pedal backwards.
to brake. Oh, this is... just went on a really long walk. I mean, it wasn't that long. It was maybe like an hour around, like up towards the town and then round through some trail. We saw this amazing lagoon. Didn't film a single thing. So sorry you guys didn't get to see that. Maybe I'll show you on a different day. But right now it's 2. We have a painting workshop. So yeah, I'm gonna get going. It's been such a nice afternoon. I did have to change because it's so hot. So I need to get a drink, but I'm having such a good time. Yeah, okay. What does getting it right even mean?
Like the last one was abstract.
Okay. I already failed this. That's really good though. This is less.
Oh, that's good. It's
It's getting Basquiat. Let me see. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, 100%.
How do you spell your name?
S-A-M. Everyone pick a partner. If it doesn't add up, yeah, we're gonna
Music. Okay, we just finished the painting workshop outside and I'm about to iron my trousers because we're gonna do a mini photo shoot. So Peter has set up a full like C-stand light situation in his lounge area upstairs because I think he has the biggest room and it's so huge. So I'm gonna wear this like bright royal blue sweatshirt. I thrifted that. It's Ralph Lauren. Absolutely love it. You know I'm a Ralph girly. And then these Tommy Hilfiger trousers. We're going for a very collegiate vibe. It's just so cool to watch other people do their creative thing. Peter, he didn't give me sign off on a belt, but I'm gonna chuck it on and we'll hope for the best because I feel like it might tie the look together.
Man, this shit is messing with my pictures.
We came across this place that said there's a thrift shop. I don't know if it's open. Is it open?
I don't know where it is.
Okay, we don't know where it is, but this town is tiny, so there's a museum here and not much else. Oh yeah. We found a cafe for matcha. I'm so excited, even though it's probably too late in the day to be drinking this, but I'm just over the moon. And if it's good, trust I'll be here every single day. This is like 5 minutes from the hotel area. It's so great and the town is so tiny. Love you, Wimberley. Is it good? Okay. Oh yeah, really good. We just ended up spending the rest of the night chilling and it was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. The week at Creator Camp still isn't over yet though, so stay tuned for part 2 coming very soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you next time. So bye.